Hi, this is John from Delaware.net, and I'm going to show you today how to use Google products and a Google product feed in your e-commerce store to send your product data directly into Google search results. This is pretty powerful stuff, and Google's made a lot of changes to this recently, so we've updated our Google product feed. I'm going to show you how to use it right now. If you go to Google and do a search for anything product related, I put in just a demo here, search of pet collars. You'll notice that there's a shopping link over on the side. If we click that, the search results change, and now what we're looking at is Google's product feed search, where individual retailers have uploaded their product data to go straight into this product search. This is powerful stuff if you're selling products that other competitors carry, and we're seeing results as much as 10 to 30% increases in sales just from adding this feed to an e-commerce store. So let me show you how to use it. I'm using a test store today, and this is our development environment where we create new technologies for the store. You'll notice in the options tab that there's now a Google product feed area here. This is really just for apparel, so and for certain electronics. If you're not using if you're not selling apparel in your store, you can pretty much ignore this. The Google product feed will take care of itself. But if you want to go in here and actually choose information like gender and age group for the apparel, you can do that at the product level. Also, to enable this, you'll go into your store dashboard and click on data feeds. From there, you'll see this tab for Google products, and you'll need to turn this on and enable creating the feed information. So we click that box, we hit go, wait for it to create the settings in the store. This always takes just a moment to change the settings on the back end. Okay, so the feed is now enabled, and we can go ahead and update this feed, and it's done. You'll see the date last updated is right now. So this is where you can see when the date your feed last generated. Now you can save that XML file that's generated as a file and manually upload it to Google if you wish. Another option is to tell Google to come get it on a regular basis, and that's how I'm going to set it up here today in this example. We're going to go to the Google Merchant Center, and we're using a test account, but once again you have to have a Google account to use this, just like you would with analytics. And once you go into this Merchant Center, you click Data Feeds, and you're going to create a new data feed. You leave these two areas alone. We'll give it a name, March 2012, save changes. And we've created a feed. Now we can upload that file, or we can create a schedule for Google to come to the site and consume the data for the feed. So we're going to have it go, in the middle of the night. It's fine. Once a week. I'm going to change that to weekly, Sunday, 12 a.m. That's fine. Here we put in that URL that was generated in the store. Username and password for Google is not required. And we hit schedule. Now, we've created the schedule. It's also possible to tell it to go and fetch the data right away. And you can see it's processing. So that's been tested and it works. And that's all you need to do to add a Google product feed to your online store. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, call Delaware.net at 888-432-7965.